Today's example will be on Work Manager. So, first of all, what's Work Manager? Work Manager is basically like a Jetpack library provided by Google for Android. I think it's only Android. So it's used for background tasks or services or background work that still runs and does not need users interaction. For instance, can be syncing users' data, real-time data to the cloud or whenever, or sending local notifications during a specific time interval, for instance, 30 minutes. So in this case, we have an example here. This is a worker class that extends the coroutine worker. So for Java, it will just be the worker you extend, but for Kotlin, coroutine worker. Then he overrides a function for us, do work, which is a suspend function, and then its return type is results. So we can start with a try block. So what do we want to happen in this worker? Let me say, first of all, let's catch E as exception. So we want to store my name in a variable Android-ness. Android-ness here, and then it should return result.success. But in this case, since there is a suspend function, and each task won't run in the main UI thread, rather will run in the background thread. We want to switch the coroutines dispatcher to dispatcher.io, so it will run in the background thread. So I can take this here and put it inside this place. And then for the exception, there's something known as run attempt. So we can start with a checker. So if run attempt is less than 3, then all this should basically happen. So what this means is, first of all, the run attempt count is, if you understand OOP well, object-oriented programming, this is inheritance. So we are inheriting from this coroutine worker class. So we have access to the run attempt attribute. So if this line should run result.retry, it will just increment run attempt count by 1. So if the run attempt count is less than 3, it should return result or try, otherwise result of failure, meaning this worker will fail.